I want you to master this quickly as possible. What is HIV? Firstly, HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, which is a virus that attacks the body's immune system, specifically the CD4 cells, also known as T helper cells or CD4 T lymphocytes, which are a type of white blood cell that plays a crucial role in the immune system by coordinating the immune response and helping other immune cells fight infections. If left untreated, HIV can lead to AIDS, known as acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So, by taking short review, let us break through the most severe stages of HIV infection before showing you how it works. Stage number 1. Acute HIV infection, 2 to 4 weeks after exposure. The first stage, also called primary HIV infection or acute retroviral syndrome, ARS. Flu-like symptoms may appear, such as fever, swollen lymph nodes, sore throat, rash, and fatigue. High levels of HIV are present in the blood, making it highly contagious. Stage number 2. Chronic HIV infection or asymptomatic stage. At this stage, HIV continues to multiply, but at lower levels. Many people show no symptoms for years, but the virus is still active. If untreated, it gradually weakens the immune system. Stage number 3. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. The most advanced stage of HIV, where the immune system is severely damaged. CD4 count drops below 200 cells per cubic millimeter of blood, normal range, 500 to 1500. The body becomes vulnerable to opportunistic infections like tuberculosis, pneumonia, and certain cancers. Without treatment, life expectancy is very short. How HIV works. Firstly, entry into the body. HIV enters through bodily fluids such as blood, semen, vaginal fluids, rectal fluids, and breast milk. Common modes of transmission include unprotected sex, sharing needles, mother-to-child transmission, and blood transfusions, rare with modern screening. Secondary attachment and entry into cells known as infection of CD4 cells. HIV targets CD4 or T cells, a type of white blood cell. The virus attaches to the CD4 receptor and co-receptors, CCR5 or CXCR4, allowing it to fuse with the cell membrane and release its ribonucleic acid RNA inside. This is very crucial for immune systems. Thirdly, reverse transcription and integration. Inside the cell, reverse transcriptase, an HIV enzyme, converts viral RNA into DNA. This viral DNA is then inserted into the host cell's DNA using another enzyme called integrase. Once integrated, the virus can remain dormant or actively replicate. Fourth, replication and assembly. When the infected cell is activated, it uses the host cellular machinery to produce new HIV proteins and RNA. These components assemble into new HIV particles. Fifth, budding and spread. The newly formed HIV particles leave the infected cell, taking part of its membrane. The virus matures and becomes infectious, ready to infect more CD4 plus T cells. Sixth, progression. Over time, as CD4 cell count drops, the body becomes more vulnerable to infections and diseases, example tuberculosis, pneumonia, and certain cancers. I can't end this video without telling you this. Ribonucleic acid. It's a nucleic acid, similar to DNA, that plays a vital role in carrying genetic information and protein synthesis in all living organisms. What is RNA? RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is a molecule found in all living cells and viruses. RNA is made up of nucleotides, which are composed of a ribose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base, adenine, guanine, uracil, or cytosine. RNA is involved in various cellular processes, including carrying genetic information. RNA carries the genetic code from DNA to the ribosomes, where proteins are synthesized. Protein synthesis. Different types of RNA, like mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA, play crucial roles in protein synthesis. Regulation of gene expression. RNA can also regulate the expression of genes. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and rise thumbs up if you like video.